Hello, my people in Egypt. I'm Alawi, you know that, okay? First, I want to congratulate the president, Mr. Khatib, okay, for his birthday. This is the birthday of my son, even, and the same day. Mabruk, after Mabruk for Khatib, Bibu, and for our team, I want to say something, okay? You're gonna play the final, the Champions League. I wish you good luck, and I think that since some years already don't play the final, the Champions League, I want to congratulate the technical team, I want to congratulate the players, I want to congratulate the team, and I want to tell him that early want to play the finals is for win. Okay? You must be nervous before the match, but along the match, when the match starts, you must think that you are better than the other guys, you are better than the other team, you must play as a team, and I hope that you're going to be champion again. I wish you one more time all the best lucky for this match. Alf Mabruk, and shukran for all of you.